Sababu imetuleta hapa ni kufariji familia. Hiyo ingine is extra. So do not come to a funeral and turn it into your own meeting, forgetting that you've come to mourn with the people who are in pain for losing their loved one. We must be leaders both outside, and we must be having empathy when we come to these places. And as one of my colleagues has said, you must be truthful in the things you are saying. You must not come because you want popularity to lie to the people and be clapped for when our people are suffering. Here you mentioned that you want support from the government for the schools. It is because those schools are lacking infrastructure, which we must struggle to get the resources to have these schools built. You cannot have those schools built through popularity in funerals. We must work with the government. Nyamira University has been tottering from 2016, and it has never been done. We've had leaders in this country and in this Gusii region, but they were not able to do it. It was done because we became united, and all of us from Nyamira and Kisii, we went to State House and spoke with one voice. And because we spoke with one voice, leaders and everybody else, His Excellency the President directed within 5 days that we have that university established. And this morning, ladies and gentlemen, leo hii asubuhi tulikuwa tumeanzia kule Kisii, mahali tulienda mpaka kwa prison, ili tutoe ile prison pale katikati ipeleke Nyanturago, ile land iko pale katikati tuweke affordable housing. Hiyo ni program ya serikali. Huwezi kupata hiyo program kwa kuja hapa kupigiwa makofi ati unataka kuonekana kama ndio unajua kitu kinafanyika. Kama mnaitwa kwa meza mkuje muitishe vitu, badala ya kuja mnapiga msituni, alafu mnakuja kudanganya watu hapa ati mnafanya kazi. Mnafanyia kazi gani?